Today, we're looking at how you can use a popular culture to drive home a message on social media to get more awareness. This is Centrepoint UK, and it's a charity that supports homeless young people aged up to 25 who have the aim of and they've got the aim of ending youth homelessness in the UK. They've got an amazing following on social media. Their posts range from videos showing people doing marathons, etc., to raise money for the amazing cause, through to people that they're working in partnerships with, explaining how homelessness in young people can happen and what can be done to support them. But one of the posts that's generated a lot of interest is this. And it's a post about Judy Garland and how she faced homelessness at a young age. This video features people like Peter Andre, it features Stephen Fry, and it's them all. Basically, it's a bunch of famous people all telling the story about how Judy Garland faced homelessness at a young age and what actually happened to her. The post itself here, it gives a lot more insight. And I guess what they've done is they have then framed a lot of fundraising around the idea of Judy Garland, and they've done it to celebrate her 100th birthday to raise money for this charity. So let's have a little look at what they did. So they've called it No Place Like Home. They're doing a special performance night at on the 28th of November. They said it's in aid of Centrepoint, and they've obviously got various supporters here as well. So they have obviously spoken to various famous people, got them to endorse it, obviously, and naturally having a famous person, of course, is obviously going to drive engagement and reach because people recognize them. But more than that, it's really about framing, I guess, the concept of homelessness, which people might not fully understand or maybe be able to connect with if they've never experienced it or never known anyone that's experienced it. And what they've done is they framed it around this lady here, Judy Garland, who is famous world over. Everyone knows who she is, and saying that, I guess, she faced something like this when she was younger, I guess, makes it a lot more palatable, and it means that people are a lot more, I guess, likely to connect with it on a very different level. So it raises awareness. They're framing it around a story, and I think it's something that any charity could really learn from. It's just about taking the concept of I guess, what you're trying to do, and then framing it around, I guess, like something or someone that everybody knows. Now, if I was Centrepoint, I would want to be making sure that I engage with lots of different groups, I guess, that maybe either, that we could help people who are homeless, especially young people. So it might be education programs, it could be other like-minded charities all around the UK. And what you can do is you can add in a special group here on maybe. So you go into engagement, go into engage, and then you just add in each business here or each charity here. Then they would come up as a group like this. You would then click on the group, and then within that group, you can then start engaging. So you can start liking their post, you can start commenting, you can start sharing, and it means that you're supporting them. They in turn you'll start to come up on their feed, so they might start supporting you, and you never know, it might generate some partnerships as well. Now, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.